Hey again guys, it's Amy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Renew Perfect Color Retouch Kit. Okay, so the difference between the Retouch Kit and the full kit is that the Retouch one does not contain any pre-lightener. So this is just a little pack to give yourself a bit of color again, or if you have naturally very light hair, then you could use this one and you're not wasting any money on the pre-lightener. Like we did before, we are going to section our hair into 4 sections. So because this is a semi-permanent dye, it means that it is going to wash out in about 6 to 8 washes. It may not wash out completely depending on your hair type and texture and all of that. Ways in which you can prolong your color is by washing your hair with cold water, not using anti-dandruff shampoo, and also just not scrubbing your hair too roughly when you wash your hair. Okay, so because this kit doesn't contain a brush, I'm going to show you how to apply the dye without a brush. If you want to see how I do it with a brush, you can watch my previous video on the full kit, but for today I'm just going to be using these guys. Again, I'm going to section my hair into smaller sections from the 4 different sections. I normally start at the bottom, and again, being careful because this is quite runny. Just take a little bit on your glove and apply at the roots first. You can use a second mirror behind you or off to your side and kind of balance the two so that you can see the back of your hair in the other one. And that will also help you to just eliminate any spots that you may have missed. Otherwise, grab a friend and ask them to help you out. Run your fingers through your hair just to check for any spots that you may have missed. Once you've done a thorough check, it's time to let it process for the recommended time depending on your strand test. Then rinse it out with cool to lukewarm water. That is important because it is semi-permanent, so hot water will wash it out a lot faster. Then you can put the conditioning treatment in, leave that in for about 10 to 15 minutes, wash that out, and then dry and style as normal. And now your bright hair color is back and ready for the rest of summer. Don't forget about the Renew competition where you can win a holiday valued at 20,000 Rand. And all you've got to do is take a boomerang, a photo, a video, post it on Instagram and use these hashtags and tag Renew Colour, and you can stand a chance to win. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!